Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just 12 days ago, to be precise on April 17th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $19.03. And at this point my main assumption was that we have to see the retracement, we had to see this retracement, but it shouldn't break this previous top and the level of 0.5 fib retracement too. Because if it breaks it, the likelihood of its next leg to the upside well, drastically reduces, and most likely we should retest this bottom, and potentially we could even break it. And guys, take a look right here. I made my previous video when this asset was somewhere here, and well, wait a second, somewhere here, and since I made it, this asset went lower. It pretty much hit the crucial level of about $17 maybe to $18 mark. This was the potential contender of the fourth wave. It had a bounce, but then eventually, right after their earnings report, this asset had a substantial movement to the downside, during which it lost almost 18.5% of its value. And guys, we also, as you can see right here, retested this bottom and broke it. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what was the reason of this movement to the downside, what was the results of their earnings report, and what should we expect next from the price action. So, and let's begin with some fundamentals. First of all, if you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to new stuff folder, you will see a lot of recent news which explain the movement of SOFI to the downside. And to be honest, pretty much all of them pointed to the different reasons of its movement to the downside. And guys, let me show you one of the main catalysts for this stock, and it is definitely their earnings report that they published just yesterday before market opens. And take a look right here. They beat pretty much all expectations. Adjusted net revenue up 41% to a record $1.1 billion. Adjusted EBITDA up 62% to a record $340 million. Total loan origination at a record $12.2 billion. Member growth up 35% to a record 14.7 million members. Product growth up 39% to a record 22.2 million products. And guys, let me show you their investors presentation. You can see that they have consistent growth on pretty much all the parameters, and unfortunately, despite these very good results, the price of SOFI well, went down for substantial 18%. Why did it happen? Let me explain you. I believe that this movement to the downside is nothing else but just overreaction of the market, because fundamentally this stock improved all their parameters, and despite the fact that it is down from its all-time high to this point, to the lowest point by 53%. For now, guys, I believe that its fundamentals are drastically better than it were a year ago. And technically speaking, guys, we are about to see the trend reversal, and I will show you what I'm talking about within a minute. But first of all, let me pay your attention to the forecast from analytic firms. If you click right here on forecasts, you can see that the consensus analyst price target among 20 analysts for the next year is $23.48, with the highest price target at $38 and the lowest price target at $12. To be honest, guys, we are very close to the lowest price target, and which means we have much more chances to see this improvement in the price in the upcoming year. At the same time, from the technical standpoint, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. From the technical standpoint, this movement, let me delete unnecessary tools, I don't need them for now. And from the technical standpoint, this movement to the upside, which broke, let's switch to hourly time frame, which broke this bottom, is nothing else but another ABC. Let me mark it like this. This is the A wave, B wave and C wave. And this movement to the downside right now is nothing else but another 5 waves. And for now, we have only 3 of them, which means we have to see a bounce to the upside, and then potentially we might see another leg to the downside. And how deep this leg might go? First of all, let's zoom out a little bit to 4 hours time frame. Let's delete unnecessary tools. I don't need this line, I don't need this line of previous bullish divergence, I don't need this line as well. For now, we have the bottom of our C wave right here, but with the assumption that this is not the end, potentially we might see another leg to the downside. And on a bigger scale, guys, I believe that I made a mistake. It is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure at this point. I believe that wave 3 is right here. This is the wave 4, ABC to the 4th wave, and this will be the wave 5 to the downside that potentially might land. Well, let's say if we pull a fib retracement tool from this entire bottom to this top, this is the next level of 0.786, which should hold, and from this level potentially we might see the trend reversal. If this asset breaks about $14.9, this previous swing low, in this case $13.5, should be a level of support from which we might see the trend reversal. And as you can see, we have a confluence reasons with the several other ranges of support. These 2 horizontal lines worked previously as the levels of support and resistances, and this sloping line is the level of support. If I connect this bottom and this bottom, we might see, as you can see, it is an intersection of these confluence reasons, which might be a very strong range of support, which means, guys, potentially, yes, we are still in some kind of medium-term downtrend, and we have to see the next leg to the upside, I believe, within several weeks to 1 month at most. And the level from which we might see this trend reversal potentially might be $13.5. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap, only